What is 4 essential elements to install FS24X in outdoor? FS24X includes 4 light sensors covering visible light and 3 IR bands together. So, we can call it as quad-band triple IR technology. This special technology provides enhanced coverage including dirty, sooty, and smoky fire as well. For example, the 4 sensors can detect gasoline fire correctly even they are not clear to see. Because sunlight on Earth has UV, visible light, and near IR band as well, very special condition can trigger alarms by sunlight and modulated sunlight. So, following 4 elements is very essential and important to install flame detectors in outdoor or any place where sunlight can come in. Element 1. FS24X must be mounted at a downward angle of greater than 30 degrees to the horizon to eliminate the risk of the detector being exposed to direct sunlight, particularly at sunrise and sunset. Element 2. FS24X-5 unit supports 90 degrees field of view and optimized firmware for elevated background IR application. Element 3. Honeywell Sunshade SH001 supports required shielding and non-reflective finishing against stray infrared energy to be presented to the detector. Element 4. Highly reflective surfaces can lead to a greater risk of stray infrared energy being presented to the flame detector. Those reflective and shiny surfaces should be treated with non-reflecting material.